Hey everyone, welcome to this wonderful session on developing a positive mindset. What is a positive mindset? A person with a positive mindset will stop thinking that he can't. He will never give up without trying. And when trying, he is sure that the outcome will be good or positive. And even if the outcome is not as good as he hoped it would be, he wouldn't be disheartened. But he will tell himself that he is proud and happy that he tried his best. So remember, you have a positive mindset when you focus on the bright side of life. You expect positive results. You face challenges with a positive outlook. You try to make the most of a bad situation. You see the best in other people. Also, when you are proud of your abilities, you have a positive mindset. When you are ready to learn new things, you are happy for others when they do well. You bring happiness and cheer to people around you. You don't give up trying to be positive. How to develop a positive mindset? It is simple. With some practice and effort, it will become a part of your personality. Start with little things. Use positive affirmations. Attitude of gratitude is very important. Think positive and talk positive. Also, try some relaxation on a regular basis. Why did I say use positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are statements or sentences that can help you to challenge and overcome harmful and negative thoughts. So start your day with positive affirmations. Affirmations must be firm. Avoid words like hope, should, or wish as they lack confidence. Always use present tense. Remember, repetition and frequency of use is very important. These positive thoughts should become a habit. Habit is nothing but the thoughts that have solidified. Some of the positive affirmations you can start with are I am smart. I am capable of being a good student. I can do this. I am ready to learn something new today. I am positive. I love myself. You can add your own positive affirmations and practice them regularly. Have an attitude of gratitude. Expressing gratitude is something that is extremely important because it lets people know that you appreciate them or what they have done for you. When expressing gratitude, it is important to do so with a smile on your face and a sincere tone of voice. Showing your gratitude helps you experience more positive emotions such as optimism, enthusiasm, love, joy, and happiness. Of course, it also improves your self-esteem. Here is a short activity that you can do. Why am I grateful? Complete the following sentences. It will help you to think and cherish the good things in your life. I am grateful for my family because something good that happened this week. I am grateful for my friendship with because I am grateful for who I am because I am grateful for something because what you think and what you say makes a lot of difference. So think positive and talk positive. Every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. Positive thinking leads to positive things. Build yourself up with positive words. That is, use positive affirmations. Don't tear yourself down with negative ones. Try to enjoy humor and make jokes too. Spend time with motivating and positive people. Let's do this activity. Stay on target with a positive mindset. Instead of using negative, let's try some positive statements. If your viewpoint is, I have to be perfect, you can try, I can always try a new challenge. About setbacks, instead of saying, I have failed on this, you can try, how can I improve on my mistakes? When it comes to challenges, instead of saying, this is too hard, you can say, I can do this if I put in some efforts. When it comes to efforts and you think, why should I work so hard? Try to think, I have the potential and I can do my best. When it comes to feedback, instead of saying, that advice is not helpful, you can think, I will try those suggestions. They may help. And when it comes to results, instead of saying, this is enough, I'm happy with what I have got, try thinking, I am always making a progress and improving. I will always try to do better and better every time. Another little thing you can do to develop a positive mindset is try relaxation. Daily stress can take a toll on both physical and mental health. We all know that. We also know studies have shown various forms of relaxation can help reduce many health concerns as well as restore energy and encourage a more positive sense of self. One of the most popular relaxation technique is deep breathing. Try deep breathing on a regular basis for some time, minimum 2 to 5 minutes every day. Positive thinking can come from recognizing and appreciating small moments of happiness and wonder. In your emotions journal, that is your Emojo, you can record moments from your daily lives that are full of wonder or simply extraordinary. You can draw a rainbow if you have sighted one. You can narrate or describe an act of kindness. You can also write about little things, the moment that you felt happy because you smelled your favorite food being cooked in the kitchen. You can record these moments using descriptive writing, drawings, poems, or pasting pictures. Hope you have learned some interesting ways to develop and enhance your positivity. Enjoy each moment of every day and enjoy recording your emotions in your Emojo. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.